Hello, I'm Lex. Today, I'm going to talk about the interior design process of one of my projects, the Hyphen. I am a freelance interior designer and I spend most of my time at cafes to do my work. One day, when I was doing my work at my favorite cafe in town, I was thinking to myself, what's better than a place with comfortable working space and a good cup of coffee? And that's when I was inspired to create a space that can fulfill both criteria. A hyphen is most commonly used to unite two words to become one. We want our space to be that symbol, a support to connect people from different walks of life to share their ideas. We want to be that choice where people who come and experience our cozy interior environment and get work done. The original site was actually a storeroom, approximately 1,002 square feet, located on the first floor of a commercial shop lot. I started my design with bubble diagrams by allocating the following 5 core areas: cafe sitting area, casual co-working space, casual meeting booth, barista counter, and a small kitchen. I envision this space to be a casual co-working cafe where freelancers are able to utilize the co-working space as their workstation, while the cafe areas will be the place for them to catch up with their clients, and the casual meeting booth is the place for them to host meetings. The project's design concept drew inspiration from the hyphen, the black symbol. I designed a long bar counter in between the cafe zone and the casual co-working space to separate both areas. And a secret to the bar counter design is, if you look from the top, it actually looks like a big hyphen symbol. To enhance privacy and enigmatic, wire mesh partitions is installed for both areas. The recurring use of the rectangular hyphen symbol shape continuously penetrates into the entire space, not only in the appearance of form, but also derived from detailed connotations. The wire mesh partitions behind the bar counter acts as a connection between both spaces. It is not merely an interior detail, but is also a key linking and emphasizing element. I left a small part of this wall with multiple card holders for our customers to leave their business cards, which allowed them to connect with people. I blended in a breath of femininity by having the beautiful maroon begonia to tone down dominant elements such as brick and wire mesh. This plant creates a contrast to this soft brutality interior. Other than that, I added soft texture like curtains into this space to soften down the raw elements. A long built-in bench with loose tables in the cafe area are to allow flexibility in order to cater for different groups of people. Behind the bar counter is the casual co-working zone. Soft curtains are installed to act as a transition into a different zone. This area is made out of a long customized table that comes with flexible echo panels and multiple socket points. Lastly, this casual meeting booth is created to allow customers to have a private space for discussions. I hope this video gives you an idea of how we implement concept into space. Thanks for watching and kindly do not forget to like and subscribe my channel for more videos. See you again.